Hey guys, what's going on? It's Mr. Reed. I hope you guys find yourselves healthy, at home, safe and sound. I hope you guys enjoyed your 2 weeks of spring break. I have. I'm good. Everything's good with me. I am a little bored, so I can't wait to get this going with you guys. So the first thing I want you guys do is obviously log into your portal, and what's gonna happen is you're gonna still be checking Schoology. So let's go to Schoology, and I want to show you some stuff that I've added for you guys. So if you go to my course, this is for pre-cal. So everything that we've been working on before this stuff happened, I moved down here, and so this is all new stuff right here. So important links, these are the links I sent you in the email. The student website, this is where you're going to be going to a lot. I don't know what this is. This needs to get out of the way. Whatever. Um, So this is where the principal's corner is. There's a lot of stuff, good information here. You have your class of 2020. You can there's an assistance principal corner, and then your counselor's chat. There's a lot of good information here for you guys to access. So whenever you can, please go through this. Okay, and these are the meal distribution, free internet access, possible free internet access, and then the 90-day TI calculator software. So those are some good links for you to go to. The important videos folder has this video in there, so um, that's where you're watching this. Joining my Remind, these are the instructions to join my Remind. Please, please, please join my Remind. It's the easiest form of contact for you guys. I don't want to have to keep sending you emails because I know it's easier to check your text messages than it is emails. Um, so a big new thing here is office hours. So my office hours are going to be Monday through Friday from 9 to 11 a.m. and then an hour for lunch and then 12 to 2 p.m. Now, what this is basically an online chat. So if you click this link, what's going to pop up first is this where it says if it wants to access your microphone and camera, please, please, please hit allow. If not, then it's not going to work. So you have to hit allow, and then you're going to pop up on the screen like that. Okay, and so basically we're going to be able to talk to each other. I will be able to help you answer questions if you need help going through the courses and stuff like that. So this is going to be really, really, really useful. And all you're going to do is just hit join now, and then we're going to be able to talk to each other. Okay. So like I said, it's going to be Monday through Friday, 9 to 11, and then 12 to 2. Now, you do not have to be here. Okay, this is optional. Tomorrow or today, this is today, Monday the 23rd, I do want you to come and say hi. I miss you guys a lot, so I want to talk to you all, see how you are doing. So please come say hi. But other than that, this is really only, think of it as tutorials. I know some of y'all don't ever come to my tutorials, so if you don't have to, you don't really if you don't need the help, you really don't have to show up. Okay. Now, if you do want to meet outside of this time, go ahead and send me a message on Remind or send me an email. Um, I will be stuck at home. I'm always like that, so I more than likely will be able to get on with you outside this time, just depending on what's going on. But more than likely, I'm gonna say yes, and I'll get on with you guys to answer any questions. And a big thing is you have to make sure you're signed into your Pasadena Google account. If not, it's not going to work. Okay, so that's the office hours. So now I'm going to talk about Edgenuity. So our course is now going to be on Edgenuity. It's in your applications. It looks like this. So if you click on it, you're a student. I'm going to show you what the students look like. And so you're going to be clicking on pre-cal. And so basically this is all the topics and stuff that you're going to have to do. Now, Edgenuity has already all the warm-ups, the instructions, and stuff like that for the online instruction, the assignments, and everything that you're able to do. Okay. Now the good thing is you're starting off with kind of like a review. We've already done some of this stuff, or we've already done this actually. So this is all a review. Now the thing about Edgenuity is whenever you click on the direct instruction, it's an online video basically, and you are going to have to take notes. So it's gonna play.
Welcome back.
That's a little loud.
Today we're
and then you can also adjust the speeds, I think. Or no, actually, I don't think you can. Um, but you can draw e-notes. I don't remember how that worked. There's a calculator here. Um, so the big thing here, the reason I'm telling you you have to take notes is because you actually have to submit your notes. So if you go back to Edgenuity, there's two things. So there's a journal activity where you're gonna actually have to come up with some stuff. Like so here it says write an expression using all six trig functions such that the value of the expression is 3. Okay, that's a little confusing. I might have to explain that to you on a different time or come to my office hours. But what you're gonna have to do is you might either have to draw this out or write this out on a piece of paper, take a picture of it, and then what's gonna happen is you're gonna have to come back to Schoology, and you see where it says Edgenuity assignments. You're gonna click on that. These are all the topics. So right now I'm on basic trig identities, and that's 5.1 basic trig identities. And so there's two things. There's your journal activity and your lesson notes. Okay. So obviously your journal activity, whether it's a PDF, if something you scanned, you took a picture, whatever it is that you're going to submit in that Schoology assignment. So you're going to come here and submit. I think yours is a little bit different than what mine looks like. I think over here you're going to have something like submit assignment, and then you can upload a file. Okay, so that's what you're going to upload. That's where you're going to upload. And here you have to write something and then just hit submit. Or just put submitted, I don't know how you spell it, whatever. I submitted on Schoology, and then just hit submit, and I will be able to go to Schoology, see what you wrote, and then give you a grade on that. So that's for the journal activity. For the lesson notes, these are the notes that you take whenever you are um, watching the video instruction. So the notes are for the direct instruction, sorry. Okay, and so that's where you're gonna come back to Schoology, and then basic trig identities lesson notes. And so you submit your notes from the online instruction. Okay, and then you can just type I have submitted my notes onto Schoology, and then go ahead and just put the date that you submitted them. Now, one thing I want to bring up is that these dates here are kind of not accurate at all. The district is working on fixing that, so just bear with them. They come up with all of this in a week. It's really amazing all the work that they did. So give them some time. They're gonna fix this up. Now, one thing I want to say is that obviously we're doing this together. This is new for both of us. So obviously I'm gonna be a lot of lenient. I'm gonna be really lenient on stuff. I don't want you to stress yourselves out. This is just my class. You have all these other classes that you have to focus on, as well as AP classes. So just tomorrow, really, I just want to I want you guys, or today. Crap, I keep saying tomorrow. So today, I really just want to focus. I want you to focus on exploring all this, watching this video, and exploring everything that I just showed y'all. Come say hi to me. Um, that way we can talk, and then if you have any questions, I can explain some more there. All right. Other than that, that's it. If I miss something, I'll try to uh, make another video or something like that. Um, and other than that, good luck. Go ahead and start. See you guys soon.